Il-minuta tibda issa. Michelle Gialanze, artista. Michelle, what inspired you to use natural materials?
A little while back, I was in France and I became friends with the local artists, and one of them taught me how to use natural materials. And from the moment she taught me how to do that, I can't go back to anything else now.
Did you find any challenges with working with natural materials?
At the beginning, it was like I was a chemist, experimenting with what works here, what works there. And I even used leaves. And I have a painting at home that is still alive. And a friend of mine has a painting from the same area, and she loves it, but she says it's constantly changing for her. So yes, there are challenges.
How would you describe your upcoming exhibition?
Made by Earth is an exhibition about the perception of nature, and the paintings that surround this exhibition are like the 4 seasons of life.